Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix keyboard lagging or slow response issue on your Windows 11. So same problem I also facing. So finally I have got the easy and simple solutions to fix this issue. So when you are facing this type of problem, so first you need to check your keyboard is plugged properly to your Windows 11 or not. So first thing you need to check this. After this guys, now you need to restart your Windows 11. After restarting, hopefully this basic method helps you to fix your issue. But still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. So now what you need to do, first you need to update your Windows 11. To update your Windows 11, go to your Windows settings like this. From the Windows settings, in the left panel you can get the option Windows Update. Just click on it like this, and here you can get the option check for updates. Just click on it. So from here you can easily able to update your Windows 11. Okay, so after updating guys, your problem will solve. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Go to the system. In the Windows settings, in the system, from the right panel scroll down and find out troubleshoot like this, and here you can get the option other troubleshooter. Just click on it and scroll down and find out keyboard troubleshooter and run the keyboard troubleshooter on your PC. It will detect the problem with your keyboard and show you on screen instruction to fix that issue. So just follow the on screen instruction and complete this process. So if the troubleshooting method is not helping with you, you can try the next method. Now what you need to do, you need to update your keyboard driver. To update your keyboard driver, hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard, and from here open the device manager like this. Okay, in the device manager guys, here extend the keyboard and right click on your keyboard driver. Here you can get the option update driver. So from here you can get two options, online and offline. So both method you need to try one by one. First I am trying to update the keyboard driver offline. So just click on browse my computer for driver like this, and then click on let me pick from a list of available driver. Just click on it and it will show you a keyboard driver. Just select it and install it on your PC. After installing, it will ask you to restart your Windows 11. Just restart it. Okay, after restarting, your new keyboard driver will install on your PC. Now check your issue was solved or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, so once again you need to open the device manager, right click on the your keyboard driver like this, and then click on update driver. Now you need to try the online method. Here it will showing this message, the best driver for your device are already installed. So there is no online update available for my keyboard driver. If the online update is available for your keyboard driver, just go for it. Okay, and update the driver. This method is also not working with you guys. Now what you need to do, you need to uninstall your keyboard driver from here. Just right click on it and here you can get the option uninstall device. Just click on it. Okay, it will uninstall it. After uninstalling, close the device manager. Now you need to restart your Windows 11. After restarting, it will automatically install the keyboard driver on your PC. Now you don't need to manually install it. Okay, it will automatically install it. So this is the last and final solution to fix this issue. So please comment down below which option, which method is work with you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.